because Colin has been obsessed with paper airplanes for a while, and my dad has had to make him a bunch. So
probably 30 a day.
30 a day he's had to make him. So we are excited to give him presents, or paper airplanes. This is how big the box is. And it's full of paper airplanes. And he's been obsessed with him, so let's go give it to him.
Got a present for Colin.
No, wait, you just ordered the package. Yeah, this is like, oh, that's for me. Yay.
What's in the box?
What's in the back? What's in the back? Wait, you are a surprise?
Yeah, stand there.
What's your favorite thing in the world, Colin?
I know.
What's your favorite thing in the world?
Airplanes.
What?
Airplanes.
Airplanes!
Airplanes! Look at all those airplanes!
All the paper airplanes you could ever ask for!
What do you think, Colin? Best Christmas ever?
Yeah. This is like, is that for you?
Hey! What's better than 200 airplanes?
Look, these
Mom, the surprise!
Try this one.
Everywhere! What?
Oh!
Airplane!
It is! What's that called?
The boomerang glider?
Yeah.
I knew it looked like you knew what you were doing.
Yeah, me too. So why did you put it on my head?
Oh, even Jonesy got to join.
What's better? What's better than airplanes being dumped all over your head?
Hey, don't tell
One of
Ashley.
these airplanes?
Don't tell Ashley.
She's just gonna find them.
Let's just, yeah. We'll be sure we were busy.
No, don't clean these up. These ever.
Okay, we won't pick them up. Ever.
Hey,
Yeah, be
what
careful
are
not to
these?
step on them, huh?
Yeah, you can't step on them, right? Because they've each been.
So what was your favorite present this year for Christmas, Colin?
These airplanes.
The little
Some of them
things.
don't fly well, but some of them fly super well.
Hey, Moose. Get out of here.
Look at this one, Colin. Watch it boomerangs back to me.
Oh, look at that one.
Yeah, it's supposed to boomerang back to you. Some of them.
I know, this one.
Thank you.
Who's your favorite cousin?
So, Evie.
I love you.
Evie and Ellis. You don't have to make airplanes anymore because I have a lot of these airplanes.
Okay, I guess I'm walking into a surprise. Let's see what it is. Kind of scary. I was hoping it was going to be a clean house. That's not the case. Let's see here. Oh my God. Well, definitely not the case. Look at all of these paper airplanes. Nice. Was that the reaction you were wanting? Probably not.